What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to start affiliate marketing for under $50. Now, I know a lot of people are struggling to get into affiliate marketing because they think everything's just so expensive. You have to start a website, you have to pay for ads, you have to hire somebody to edit videos, you have to hire somebody to run your marketing campaign, all this stuff. And that's not true. You don't need any of that stuff. All right. Now, what I want to show you today is something actually pretty simple: how to start for under $50, and it's actually about $40 a month. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So the first thing right here. Now, you probably heard of some of this stuff. You've probably seen this exact method. I'm gonna show you something different, though. All right. I'm not here to try to take your money. I'm here to help you make money. All right. So, how to start affiliate marketing for under $50. How do you do it? Well, first off, I'm going to show you one way that works very easily. First, get Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is it's a drag and drop software, kind of website, but it's a software that creates websites, but it's drag and drop software. It makes it really easy to create a website. The reason I'm telling you this is because I want you to go and get Clickfunnels for $19 a month. Don't pay the $97. Okay, you don't need to right now. Now, I'm going to give you the exact share funnel and show you how to do that in just a second. But go get ClickFunnels. Then go and get email marketing software. From my experience, I suggest get Aweber. It's the cheapest and it lets you do affiliate marketing without any problems. And then the third thing, you're going to use free Facebook traffic. I'm going to show you how to do that and I'm going to walk you through the steps. So let me show you this. Here is the funnel. I'm going to give you this exact one. You can see it right here, all right? So let me go to the steps really quick. This is the funnel I'm going to give you. There's the share funnel. That's the link that you will see down in the description box below. Right here, this is the funnel, all right? So it's an opt-in funnel. There's an upsell. There's a checkout page and an order confirmation. It's very easy, okay? After somebody opts in to this page right here, I will then go and send them an email through my Aweber account. Okay, here's how it works, and this is why it works so well. So, you get traffic from Facebook. Let's say they're talking about, or actually, I'll use this exact example right here. So right here, I'm going after people that are looking into reselling. That is on eBay and Amazon, okay? So, they are selling items on eBay and Amazon. So, what I'm going to do here is I am going to try to get people over from, let's say, a resellers group or page over on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube over to this exact page right here. They go give me, they say, yes, give me this free resellers guide. All right, so they put in their name and email address. I go and send them that free guide, okay? Here's the cool part. I send them the free guide, but then right after that, I give them an upsell. Hey, before you leave, check out this product. It's $5. If you want it, get it today. The discount will be gone, so make sure you get it. So some people will do it, some people won't. The best part about this is, now that I gave them the free guide, I gave them the chance to buy a discounted, it's 40 profitable items every reseller should know. It's normally $10. I charge them $5 if they get it through the upsell page. But sometimes I'm making $5. But the real money is later on, I'm going to promote stuff that a reseller should have. For instance, a scanner. Scanner looks something like this. Okay, this item right here, it's normally like used. I think it's about $100 used. But normally, if I promote the new one, that's over on Amazon, people are paying, I think, about $250 for this little thing. Now, that's just one item. Then I go and promote the different boxes, the different tape dispensers I use, the different tools that I use for that business, and I'll promote those things over on through email, through a website, through a video, stuff like that. And it works really well, all right? So, this right here, okay, paying $19 a month for ClickFunnels is essential in my opinion. I pay for the $97 package. I don't pay for the $297 package. I don't feel it's necessary to do that even at my level. Paying for the $19 a month package works, okay? Now, the best part about this is it's only $19. $19 here, $19 a month for Aweber. That's $38. That's $12 under your $50 budget per month to start affiliate marketing. But how do you get traffic? So one of the ways that I get traffic Now, once you have the funnel created, and like I said, go and get the Clickfunnels $19 a month package. Here's how you do it, all right? So I'm going to send you, I'm going to give you a link down in the description box below. I'm going to show it to you right here. But here's the link. It's called the share funnel. You can actually clone this exact funnel, okay, this one that I have right here. But what you do is go and put that in. Go click that link. It's going to send you to a page that looks like this. So I'm going to put in an email address, .com, quick little password. So again, those are not actual email addresses or passwords. I'm going to click start my free trial, okay? So I'm going to click that. Here is the cool part, okay? Let me show you this. So this is the page you're going to land on after you click that. Now, like I said, you can get it for $19 a month. It's called the Limited Shared Funnels Only Package right here. 14 days free, then it's $19 a month. So you can start for $50, okay, under $50, but here's the best part. Clickfunnels gives you 14-day free trial. Aweber gives you a 30-day free trial. So what that means is you can start for your next 14 days and you're not paying a single thing. Okay, after 30 days, it costs you $19 for Clickfunnels. After 30 days, it costs you the other $19. So you're 19 or 15 days in, you pay $19. 31 days in, you're up to $38. So you get the point. It's a great deal. Now, like I said, this is the one I have. I highly recommend it. This is a great one as well. I've used this before and loved it, but I didn't need everything, okay? So I dropped down to this one, but here's a great option. Start here, okay? Again, 14-day free trial, then it's $19 a month. And all you got to do is use that link down in the description box below, okay? So how do you get free traffic? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Like I said, I am going after groups or people that are resellers, you know, such as myself. So one of the things I will do is I will go into, let's say, a reselling community over on Facebook. I'm just going to interact with people. And if somebody asks, oh, I'm struggling to find any products to resell, you know, what do you guys recommend? What do you guys start out with? I'll interact with somebody here and there. And again, this is something that I did, you know, years ago as well. And it still works to this day. But I'll talk about, you know, one of the things I highly recommend are electronics. Used electronics are, you know, my bread and butter. I make a lot of money from it. But if you want additional help or anything like that, you know, go check out this guide. You know, you can go check it out. It's absolutely free. You know, go get it if you want it. And I'll put a link to it. And all that is inside Messenger. I don't put it inside posts, anything like that. Don't do it inside comments. It's all inside Messenger. The reason I do that, number one, it's not as spammy. If you do it inside the actual group, what ends up happening is the admins, sometimes the moderators, they're going to kick you out because you're selling. And that's one thing you don't want to do. You want to provide value. Now, some will allow you to sell. I don't just come out and try to sell stuff. What I try to do is offer value. It's free. Okay, yes, it is an email opt-in. You have to opt in to get this free guide. But once you get this guide, I am going to try to upsell you on this next guide, or going to sell you and push these different products that have helped me in my business. That's just me as a reseller, okay? So I'm not going after resellers directly that are needing this specific product. I'm going after resellers looking to accomplish a set goal of theirs. For example, make $1,000, make $10,000 a month. Yeah, you want to get there? I recommend using a scanner. It's going to speed it up. I recommend using a 3-inch tape gun because it's going to secure your boxes much better. I recommend using this specific label because it's going to save you money on your Amazon FBA shipments. Now, you probably have no clue what I'm talking about right now. Talking about Amazon FBA, all this other stuff. But the whole point is I found a target market to go after, and I'm going after them 100%. Okay? I'm giving them a free offer. Hey, here's this offer. It's going to help you. All you got to do is read it, watch it, check it out. They will read it, watch it, check it out, learn from it, and then they probably will be better off because they read it. Now, once I do send out that email, hey, hopefully you enjoyed the guide. Hopefully it helped you out. Hopefully you made some money from it. Now, if you did, go check out this item right here. It's over on Amazon. Go check it out. It's going to help you speed up your sourcing. It's going to help you make more money. It's going to help you save money on your packages, stuff like that, all right? And it's very easy. I create, landing pages with ClickFunnels. It's easy to get people to opt in. It's easy to send out emails through Aweber. You can go to here on YouTube, just type in how to connect Aweber to ClickFunnels, and you can see a video walkthrough of exactly how to do it. It's so simple, all right? So if you guys have any questions on exactly how to start affiliate marketing for under $50, let me know. I know the biggest question people have is how do they get traffic? And like I said, go to a Facebook group, a decent sized group, a few thousand people at least, and interact. Offer value, offer insight, offer your past experiences, because that's what people will learn from. And if you're offering value first and then you're asking for something in return, for example, oh, if you enjoyed my guide, go check out this product. I highly recommend it. Works. It's a stunning product. And I'm not talking, you don't have to be an Amazon FBA. You don't have to be an internet marketer. All I'm saying is if you want to make money through affiliate marketing, give value first and then ask for something in return. And when I say ask for something in return, you're pretty much giving them an affiliate link and hoping they'll buy from your link. You make money. That's how it works. Anyway, so if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this video answered any of your questions and how to get started through affiliate marketing with under $50. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.